Hey, what's up? This is Khalil Sediqi here for After Effects tutorial, and today I want to show you how to create bevel side by using camera animation. So let's start. So guys, this is gold PNG. Press S to scale down the size, and this is the footage. And now I want to remove the background of green screen by using key light. Select the key light, drop here, and remove green screen. So guys, before removing and continue, turn off the sound, turn off the clip, and select the gold PNG, press F4, turn on the 3D. And now turn on the clock from here. So guys, and now go to top view. You can see the both layer from the top. I need to expand or I need to make large size to equal to the kind. Go back to active camera and press hold control on keyboard. By moving, press arrow keys. Hold control, change the size. So guys, and now go back to top view, select the clock, move it back. Go back to active camera, right click, create a new camera from here. Select the camera to 35 millimeters, click OK. Create a new null object and turn on the 3D for the null object. Press R to rotate. Before rotating, close your layers and don't forget turn on these two layers into 3D and select your camera. Select the parent link, right click to turn on the parent link switch. Link to null object. Move your null object and now you have linked the camera to null. Select the null object, press R to rotate. Right here 180 degree and select the clock. Select the clock and now you can see the clock like this. Right click, go to transform, flip horizontal. And don't forget, take a look. I need to animate these two layers. So how to animate? Turn to gold coin and select, take a look, press P for the position and zoom in, make little bit, rotate, press P for the position, stopwatch. Go to second one, make 0, press R, and now you can see the rotation, y-axis, z-axis like this. Play, go to 0, click here, make 0 and 0. So if you need to rotate it like this, make rotate and play. Nice words. So guys, stopwatch all of them. Make a little bit, rotate, play now, change to 0 and change to 0. Play, great. So guys, and now in 10 frames, I need to rotate from front to back like this. 180. Take a look. So how to do this? Take a look guys. Go to group. Sorry, go to second 2. Sit here. and stopwatch and go to one more frame by pressing page down, stopwatch. Go to 10 frames and now rotate right here 180. So go to second 3 and rotate like this. So guys, and now turn on the motion blur, play. So if you need to make slow motion, select your Alt keyframe, hold Alt key to make slow motion. And now play. Here. So guys, I need to add light. Select the gold PNG right here, CC light sweep. Select CC light sweep, apply here, and change the direction like this. And set here. Stopwatch, go to second 2 and move to right side. Play again. So, and now I need to move it to camera. Stopwatch, all of them. Go to frame 10 frame. From 20 frame 3 seconds, go to 4 seconds. And press P for the position. Stopwatch, go to 10 frames, hold shift, and zoom in like this. Play again. Great. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was the easy way how to use double side coin in Adobe After Effects without any plugin.